powerful 6.3 magnitude earthquake strikes off the coast of Japan. A powerful 6.3 magnitude earthquake has struck off the eastern coast of Japan. The quake hit at 4:59 p.m., 8:59 a.m. UK time, 180 miles east of Iwaki, south of Fukushima. It occurred 50 miles deep on the Japan Trench, which is part of the area of seismic activity known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. There were no immediate reports of casualties or damage. A similar earthquake back in 2011 killed 15,894 people and injured 10 more when a tsunami, landslides and fires broke out as a result. But experts are predicting today's quake should pass by without causing any harm. It comes just 2 weeks after a 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck 6 miles deep off the same coast at 2:37 a.m. The Pacific Ring of Fire has been particularly active in recent weeks, with volcanoes in Vanuatu and Bali looking ready to erupt.